You're watching the setup instructions for the ADT Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector, or the ADT Smoke Detector. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your smart home security device for the first time. Let's get started. Unpack your ADT detector and make sure you have everything you need from the box. Remember to look under the cardboard tray to find the blue mounting plate and mounting hardware. For this setup, you'll need a drill and screwdriver. Don't forget to wear protective safety glasses when using your power tools. You'll also need the following: a smartphone or tablet, the ADT Plus app, and secure Wi-Fi access. Go ahead and gather what you need. Pause here and we'll pick up right where we left off. Before mounting, consider the best placement for your ADT detector. We highly recommend placing one detector on every level of your home, and inside or as close as possible to each of your bedrooms. Mounting near a stove or fuel-burning appliance? Make sure the detector is placed at least 20 feet away. And avoid mounting in areas that might cause false alarms. Now, log into your ADT Plus app. Make sure your system is disarmed. Tap Menu, then Devices. Enter your security code if prompted. Tap the plus sign. Select ADT Devices. Tap Sensors and Detectors. Tap Smoke and CO Detector, or choose Smoke Detector if that's what you have. Name your detector in your ADT Plus app. Pro tip: name it after the location where you plan to mount it. Open the battery compartment and remove the cardboard insert. Install the batteries included with the detector, making sure the batteries are inserted correctly. Then close the battery cover to power your detector on. For faster connection, the detector should be in the same room as the ADT base during this step. Your detector should start pairing with your ADT base. Once the light on the detector starts blinking blue, tap Connect. The light will continue to flash while the detector pairs to the base. You'll get a confirmation screen in the ADT Plus app when the detector is connected. To prevent ADT from responding to an alarm from your device during setup, you'll need to temporarily pause monitoring. Go into Settings. Select Monitoring Test Mode. Then place your system in test mode. Find an area to install your ADT detector, such as the ceiling or the wall. If mounting on a wall, it should be 4 to 12 inches away from the ceiling. If mounting on the ceiling, your detector must be at least 4 inches away from the wall. Now, you're ready to install. You may find it necessary to drill pilot holes before mounting. Remember to use caution when operating power tools. For wall mounting, locate the up symbol on the mounting plate and make sure it's oriented properly. Then, use your screwdriver and the included screws and drywall anchors to secure it in place. To attach the detector to the mounting plate, align the blue tab on the mounting plate with the vertical line on the detector. Press the detector into place and gently twist the detector clockwise toward the lock symbol to secure it. The app will now ask you for the detector's location. And during an alarm event, your detector will sound an alarm and then announce the room the detector is located in. Now that the detector is mounted, use the Test button to make sure the Siren is functioning properly. To test your alarm, press and hold the Test Silence button until the siren sounds. Once you finish mounting and testing your ADT detector, go ahead and remove your system from test mode in the ADT Plus app. Congratulations, you're all set. You can start adding your additional ADT smart home security devices right away. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT smart home security devices and system, or to chat with an agent.